Another day, another vlog ng isang alipin ng Salapi. Corpo Edition, this is Paul presenting Living Alone Diaries. Hi friends, good morning. Maaga nga pala ako gumising today since Makati pa yung work ko and dito pa ako sa Tigmang galing. I decided na magsaing na lang muna bago maligo para sakto na lang mamaya. May mga days talaga na para akong nabubuhay na lang from paycheck to paycheck. That's why I tend na magbaon na lang kahit nakapagod naman mag-prepare. Pero ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kailangan nating umusad and kailangan nating sumabay sa agos ng buhay. Wow, motivational speaker yarn. Anyways, I'm done na pala magbihis and ready to muna. Since maaga akong lumabas ngayon, I prefer to walk papuntang Sakayan. Since malapit lang naman, mga 15 minutes ganun. Minsan naman, sumasakay ako ng tricycle papunta doon if feel kong mainit and kung late na ako. Wait, can we just appreciate the beauty of the sunrise? Ayan, after how many minutes of waiting, karating na din ako sa office finally. And then, sinet up ko na yung work desk ko dyan para makapag-work na din ako. And then, I just went straight to the pantry para magtimpla ng iinumin ko. Yes, yan yung ginagawa ko every morning. Since libre naman yung mga coffee doon and all that stuff, kaya lubos-lubosin na natin. And after a few minutes, we decided na bumaba para bumili ng breakfast. So, this is the usual things lang na ginagawa namin sa office guys every morning. Kaya I love this company that I am working at kasi napaka-flexible yung oras namin dito. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na sobrang luwag sila, pero this company is way more better than the other companies na napagtrabahuan ko. And I'm happy with that. Anyways, nakabalik na pala kami ng office. So, this is us during lunch break. Bale, sa office na lang kami kumain, guys. And every Friday lang kami nagla-lunch out. And as I mentioned earlier, need ko talaga magbaon-baon para makatipid. After namin kumain, nagchika-chika lang muna kami. This is our usual setup if tapos na kami kumain. And ayan, back to work na ulit, real quick. Wasn't able to film the other setup na kasi madami akong tinapos. And pauwi na ako that time. And that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!